Welcome back to Car Updated, your trusted destination for detailed and honest car reviews. Today we have something unique and premium on the channel, a luxury SUV that represents elegance, power, and Chinese automotive excellence. We are talking about the Hongqi HS5, and this one is finished in a stunning black color that gives it a bold, classy, and commanding presence on the road. If you are curious about luxury SUVs beyond the usual brands, this review is going to be very interesting for you. Starting with the exterior design, the Hongqi HS5 looks extremely premium from the front. The large chrome-finished grille immediately grabs attention and proudly displays the Hongqi badge, giving the car a royal and luxurious feel. The sharp LED headlights blend perfectly with the grille and add a modern touch. The hood design is clean yet muscular, and the black color enhances the SUV's aggressive and executive look. On the road, the HS5 definitely stands out and feels more expensive than it actually is. Moving towards the rear, the Hongqi HS5 continues to impress. The LED tail lights are sleek and wide, giving the back a strong and stable appearance. The rear design is simple but elegant, with subtle chrome elements that add to its premium appeal. The dual exhaust outlets and well-shaped bumper complete the look, making the SUV appear powerful and refined at the same time. In black color, the rear design looks especially classy and luxurious, perfect for those who like a sophisticated style. Now let's step inside the Hongqi HS5, where luxury and comfort truly shine. The interior feels upscale the moment you enter. High-quality materials, soft leather seats, and refined finishes make the cabin feel premium and well-crafted. The large digital displays for infotainment and instrument cluster look modern and are easy to use. The seats are very comfortable and supportive, making long drives relaxing. There is plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making this SUV practical for families as well. Overall, the cabin experience feels calm, quiet, and luxurious. When it comes to performance, the Hongqi HS5 delivers a smooth and confident driving experience. The engine provides strong power for daily driving and highway cruising, while the transmission shifts smoothly. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing road imperfections very well. Steering is light and easy, making the car comfortable to drive in city traffic, yet stable at higher speeds. This SUV is more focused on comfort and refinement rather than aggressive sporty driving, which suits its luxury character perfectly. Talking about pricing, the Hongqi HS5 offers excellent value in the luxury SUV segment. Compared to many European rivals, it provides premium features, solid performance, and a luxurious feel at a more competitive price. The final cost may vary depending on the market and variant, but overall, it stands as a strong option for buyers looking for luxury without paying extremely high prices. As a suggestion, the Hongqi HS5 is ideal for buyers who want something different, stylish, and comfortable. If you value luxury, smooth driving, and a strong road presence, this SUV is definitely worth considering. However, availability and service network are things you should check in your region before making a final decision. So this was our detailed review of the Hongqi HS5 in black color. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Updated for more premium car reviews. Drop a comment below and tell us your thoughts on the Hongqi HS5, and let us know which car you want to see next on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.